Hi, this is our mini 3D printer called a 3D Nano. Let's show you how to use this printer. First, remove all the tapes and the grips and the foams of the printer. Then get this gift box from the printer. This is the gift box. This is the foams, clips, and the tapes. Then let's put the filament holder into the printer. Then let's power the printer. Connect the power cable into the power port at the back of printer. And then you will see the indicator light is on. Next, install filament. Straighten the filament and then put it into the feeding port. Use another hand to slide the gear. Slide into the left, that is the feed gear. And then you will see the light is flash at a faster rate. This means the printer now is warming up and need to wait about 1 minute. Please observe. So you will see now the filament is get out from the nozzle. That means the filament installed successfully. And then needs to slide the gear into the middle gear. It will stop. Insert the TF card. And then please clean. Now press the printer button gently. Then the printer will begin to print automatically after warming up. While in the printing status, the printer button in front will flash green light at a steady rate. Press print button to pause printing, and press again to continue printing. Press print button for 3 seconds to stop printing. In the process of printing, if you found the bed is not leveled, then needs to adjust the screws in the bed. Gently rotate the screws clockwise, the bed will go down. Rotate the screws anti-clockwise, the bed will go up.